to be headed to George Washington's Mount Vernon estate. His home, his mansion, his property, and I can't wait to be there. I've never been there before, so this is gonna be awesome. So let's head over there. Today's gonna be 60 degrees and cloudy. I wish it was sunny, but I think it's like 62 today, and that's really good because back in Jersey, it's like probably in the 40s right now. So, you know, you gotta do it.
Screaming in the back of the car.
All right, now we are officially at the Mount Vernon estate, George Washington's old house mansion. So this is a lot of farmland right in front of the Potomac River in Mount Vernon, Virginia. So we're gonna be checking it out. Long lines today because it's President's Day, so a lot of people are off, a lot of teachers are off, all the students are off, obviously, all over the United States. So a lot of crowds. Seems like there's a restaurant right in front of the entrance. It really does look beautiful. By the way, if you come on President's Day, the admission is absolutely free. So regular admission seems to be $28 for adults, $15 for youth, and children 5 and under are free.
Oh, I know.
This is absolutely beautiful. There's 8,000 acres in his property, and you have people that are dressed up like the Continental Army, military, and people from the time of George Washington. So it's really cool.
Thanks.
So this is Washington's greenhouse, and he always wanted to keep it beautiful. Obviously in the summer it would look even better, and just already being here, kind of want to come back in the summertime and check this out. We are entering the slave quarters in Washington, Mount Vernon. All right, time to pay respect to Washington in this tomb. So it's incredible how you learn about these things in school, you teach them, and to be right next to the body of the first president of the United States is unbelievable.
What do you want to do? Walk back? No.
What do you think?
We're going to.
I think it's awesome how, you know, when these events happen in history, you don't think to really preserve them, or it's just normal to you, but as the years go by, it becomes more of a historical figure that is preserved all through this time. So I think that's cool.
Absolutely.
Ladies. Yeah.
This is Washington's old tomb.
Just wait here.
Some people make concerts.
Okay, over here we have the haha walls, and basically they would keep the farm animals from going into the mansion area, so that way they can be safely here and you wouldn't have any fences that would have to block the views. So pretty cool. Then also this over here is kind of like an ice storage area where the river, when it froze up, the slaves would go down, get the ice, and then pack it in that area, so that way they can have ice cream and chilled drinks in the summer. So it was a luxury to have ice back in Washington's times. Very interesting. It's a huge line to get into the house. Our tickets were for 105, and we got here like around 11:30. So it's been a while. So we haven't been waiting out here for 2 hours, but we have been waiting this whole time, touring around and everything, trying to get to the house. So we'll see if we get in. They're saying that they're going to start calling the 1 o'clocks real soon. So we'll just wait here. But they've been very backed up. So that's the bad part about coming on President's Day. Yeah, it's free to come in, but so many people take advantage of the opportunity that it makes wait times longer. So it is what it is.
Small and the person. Yep.
So the house was actually made out of wood. It wasn't made out of stone, but they used material that made it look like it was made out of stone to make the house look more expensive. Pretty cool.
Help, like, close them and clean them and all that type of stuff. What happened?
So unfortunately I can't take videos, so I can't take you guys inside. You guys are gonna have to come yourself.
Yeah, I assume they didn't take photos.
Yeah, you come and you see.
This is the view that George Washington and his family had right from the mansion.
Yeah, you rented from the seller. Every bird. You rented $10,000 a night.
That's kind of pricey.
Let's share this one because it's the best.
The office of President of the United States.
The office of President of the United States.
And will to the...
All right, so overall, museum, the area, the estate, the farmland, the mansion, everything was absolutely beautiful, amazing, and it's definitely worth visiting. All right, so now we're in the Old Town Alexandria, and there's a lot of great shops here, a lot of food. Got an ice cream shop here, Jenny's Ice Cream, and other areas. We're gonna go get some coffee though. This smells good.
Oh, is it here?
Oh, there it is. Okay, you got the carrot cake. Really good?
Yeah.
Got the white mocha cappuccino. That's good. Nice and creamy. All right, Misha's coffee was absolutely sensational. Really good stuff. Definitely recommend it here in this area. But you know, we wish we had a longer stay here, but we're only here for one day. Time to go back to New Jersey to our old lives. We will be going to Texas in 2 months. We'll be in Texas, and we will definitely document all the amazing things that we're going to do out there as well. So stay tuned for more videos on this channel. And that is it from us. So once again, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, so that way you're up to date with all our amazing videos. Take care, guys.